Media information and technology literacy is the ability to access, understand, evaluate, and use media information wisely with the help of technology. Media literacy, knowing how to understand and analyze different forms of media, TV, social media, newspaper, and etc. And being able to spot bias, fake news, or hidden message. So basically, media literacy, this is about to understand how media works and how it influences people. So media includes TV, radio, newspaper, movies, social media, and online platforms. It teaches us to ask questions like who created this message, what is purpose, to inform, the persuade, to entertain, or to sell something. Is it showing facts, opinions, or bias? And why is it important? Media has power to shape opinions and beliefs. If we are media literate, we don't get easily fooled by fake news, propaganda, or harmful content. So, information literacy. This is the skill to find the right information, judge if it's true or false, and use to properly for learning and decision making. So basically, information literacy, this is focused on the ability to find, evaluate, and use information correctly. With so much information online, not all the reliable information literacy helps us. So search effectively using keywords, credibility, sources, check in information is true, updated, and trustworthy. Use the information properly, avoiding plagiarism and giving credit. So why is it important? It prevents us to spreading false information and helps us making good decisions in studies, work, and daily life. Technology literacy, the ability to use digital tools like computer, internet, smartphones, and apps effectively, safety, and responsibly. So basically, technology literacy, this is about the skill to use digital tools, technology responsibly and effectively. So example of technology literacy include using computers, smartphones, and apps properly, knowing how to protect the privacy and security online, understand how technology can be used for communication, learning, and problem solving. So why is it important? Technology is now part of everything like school, jobs, communication, even entertainment. Being technology literate helps us to adapt to modern life and prepare for future opportunities. So overall, why MIL matters as a whole? So when you combine media, information, and technology literacy, you gain the power to communicate effectively, avoid in misinformation, think critically about what you see and what you read, use technology for learning, connection, and growth. So it's basically prepares you to be a smart, responsible, and active digital citizen in today's world.